To install Waka TV on a smart TV. The process is relatively straightforward, thanks to the provided steps. First, it's essential to note that Waka TV is currently available on various devices, including Android devices such as TV boxes, Android TV, and mobile versions. However, it does not directly support smart TVs. If you have an Android TV, you can proceed with the installation. To begin, access the Google Play Store and download the Downloader app. Next, go to the Settings, then to Security and Restrictions, and enable apps from unknown sources. Open the Downloader app and type in the URL wakatv.net, followed by the code 664,118. This should initiate the installation of the Waka TV app. Once installed, you can start using it. The process is fairly simple, and following these steps should allow you to successfully install Waka TV on your compatible device.